What up guys, we are back with another video. We're going to be installing a set of smoke lens, white LED side marker lights on my 2025 GMC Denali Ultimate Dually. Let's get to it. All right, so all we're going to need to get these marker lights installed is going to be a T15, some trim tools, and the lights themselves. The goal is kind of going to be to remove as few of these screws as possible, just because I think we're only going to have to remove a portion of the fender flare in order to access the light. I do not think this whole thing is going to have to come off, but you know, I've been wrong once before. We'll see if this is the second time. All right, so by hand I was able to pull the flare all the way to this corner, giving me enough room to access both of these little screws. All right, first marker light is out. Time for the new one. All right, so the new light plugs right in like the old one. Gonna screw it right back into place. All right, old light is out, new light is in. Next, I'm going to take a trim tool, pull those couple of clips that remained in the fender out, put them into the flare. I think I might have broke one or two, but all in all, not too bad. So only broke two clips, still nice and sturdy, all the way across. Gonna put these 4 screws back in and move on to the next wheel. So when doing the backlight, it looks like the fender is actually tucked behind, the fender flare is actually tucked behind the mud flap on the front and the rear of the flare. So I'm going to start by removing the front mud flap. Mud flap is out. I'm going to get this flare loose and get access to that light. All right. So we've got the rear passenger side done. I was pretty surprised to see double-sided tape all the way around the outside of the fender flare. So I guess I'll pull that off. All right, last light is in. We broke about 10 clips. I've had real good luck at my local Ace Hardware finding random stuff like this, so I'm going to run down there, see if they've got anything that'll do the job. If not, this is unfortunately going to have to wait until Monday morning when I can go see the boys at the local parts counter. Fingers crossed Ace has our back. So no big surprise, but I was not able to find any replacement clips tonight. I know it's pretty bright out, but it's pushing 7 o'clock on a Saturday, so options are few and far between. So I went to the GMC store this morning to get some of our replacement clips. We need about 15 of them. And not only did they only have a couple in stock, but they were $11 in change a piece retail. So I just ordered 30 of them on Amazon for 10 bucks. They'll be here tomorrow morning, so we're gonna put this off until then. One thing we're gonna do in the meantime is at least get the 3M tape put on the back side of the fender flare, so at least those will be ready to go. All right guys, we got a pack of the yellow and the white fender clips overnighted via Amazon. I'll put a link to both in the description below. I would recommend just grabbing a pack of each of these, that way you've got them on hand. If you break some, you don't have to stop and wait like I did. All right, so I think what we're gonna do is get the connector plugged up, routed through the fender flare. We'll pull the 3M, the red portion of the 3M tape off, put this baby on. Both flares are on. Mud flap time. We got the rear flares back on, rear marker lights in. We also do have the dually bedside marker lights as well. Smoked lens, white LED. And then of course we've got the sequential switchback smoked lens mirror lights. Smoked lens white LED front marker light. And that big beautiful ultimate grille. It's pretty bright, but hell yeah.